Hey, this is Michael Williams, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a tutorial of the Find feature in ThinkCrew. You can find anything in your stripboard by just clicking on the Find button here in the top right corner of the stripboard menu bar. The Find feature itself is pretty simple. It's just a text box and a couple of different buttons. Let me show you the most basic use of the Find feature. By clicking in something here, let's say the character of George, all of the strips where George appears are going to be highlighted. Those are now selected via multi-select. But what is this actually finding? Well, it's finding any instance of the word George in either a breakdown field or any elements that might have the letters G-E-O-R-G-E in them. To limit the kinds of elements that we're going to be finding, let's go ahead and select a different find type. Let's say we're going to search for just a scene. I'm going to search for scene 108. And scene 108 is selected. Now, if I had typed the number 108 in the description, or if there was a character named 108 or a location named something with the numbers 108 in it, that would not show up in this find because this find is limited just to the scene number itself. Likewise, I can search for just elements. This will exclude any of the breakdown fields over here and will only include things that can be found in the breakdown elements themselves. So if I want to find the character of Potter, now it's only going to find things that have the character of Potter in them. But remember, it's only searching for the text in the element. So as an example here, let's search for the word cousin. There are two characters that are named cousin in this movie, Cousin Tilly and Cousin Eustace, and it has found instances of both. Another way to search is just by description. So let's go ahead and we're going to find some common words that might be used in a description of one of our strips. There is one strip where the phrase move out occurs in the description. But this, of course, excludes any characters that might have move out or any sets or any other type of breakdown field. And lastly, there are ways to set the parameters for how we're performing these searches. These two buttons here at the bottom, must have all items or can have any items, will set the search results based on those parameters. So let's say I'm searching for George and Mary. There are 33 strips with elements named George and Mary, because this is selected here, must have all items, meaning that the strips that are selected must have both George and Mary. But if I click on can have any items, now there are 129 strips, because it's selecting any strips that may have George or Mary. This can be an important distinction that helps you limit the number of items that return in your searches and help refine them to be more precise. And remember that multi-select is being used here for all of the strips that are found. So if I want to add, let's say, Cousin Eustace to all of the strips that have currently been found, I just click on Cousin Eustace, and now she has been added to every single strip that has been selected. For more information on multi-select, be sure to check out the tutorial video on that topic. And that does it for this tutorial on the Find feature. If you have any questions, please hit us up on YouTube or Facebook, and thanks very much for watching.